Yo, it's your boy Geezo back with another video, and today, one more time for the haters, man. And today, what's up, man? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Again, that's like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Today, I think I'm going to since you guys said y'all want more food reviews. I know I was supposed to do something, but I ain't feel like tacos. I was supposed to do the tacos, but I ain't feel like doing tacos today. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna go to Raising Cane's, man. I've never been. I said I was gonna go, so now I'm gonna go try it. I'm gonna tell y'all if it's overrated or whatever. You know what I mean? Since y'all said y'all want more food reviews, that's what we're gonna do, man. That's what we're gonna do. And then just in case, you know what I mean? Got the, you know what I mean? Shouts out the Icy Gang, man. Got the pinky ring on. You know what I mean? Got the, oh man, you know what I mean, chained by me. You know what I mean, chained by me. Time for an upgrade on that, man. Oh man, I came out light today, guys. Came out light today, man. Came out light, man. Yeah, man, that's all, man. See y'all when we get there. Alright, so I'm here at the place. That's devastating. Manifesting while I'm meditating. I use my whole brain, now I'm levitating. About to try it out. See what it is. See what it's hitting on. Look good. I even got a drink. I don't drink too much, but it was lemonade, so I was like, fuck it, get the drink. Alright, so now it's time to taste it. Y'all seen how it look, right? Y'all seen how it look? Got this bread. Let's taste the bread first, man. Just regular bread. A little bit garlic. Shit flew just now, okay? But bread ain't bad. Try the sauce. That's alright. Don't taste too bad, man. Try chicken. Now I will say, man, they kind of high. Like, it's like $17 for some chicken tenders. It ain't bad. Like, it really ain't that bad, but I could have went to the grocery store. Like, I really could have went to the grocery store, got some tenders, got some crinkly fries. You know what I mean? Could have got a whole bag of chicken tenders for $17, man. Keep it real. But the sauce is good. Sauce tastes like some Thousand Island doctored up or some shit, man. I don't know, man. Again, I'm gonna eat this shit, but like I said, man, it ain't nothing special. I've seen a lot of people saying this is like the best shit they ever had, and I don't know what the hell they're talking about. Like, it's good. It's good, but it ain't that goddamn good, man. It ain't that goddamn good, man. But I'm gonna eat this shit, though. I seen somebody do this kind of shit, man. Take the bread, make it like a sandwich or something, dip that bit. It's alright. I think they overrated though. There's a lot of hype about this shit, but I don't think it's that good. They could have actually fried the chicken tenders a little longer or something, man. I don't know if they baking them in there or what, man. It was a waste of money. I'm gonna keep it real. It definitely was a waste of money. But we here, man. Well, actually, it's not a waste of money because we only came here to get the review. Let me try the lemonade. Again, guys, I don't drink sodas or none of that. The only reason why I got the lemonade because it said we make lemonade fresh every day. So let me try it and see if it's good. Lemonade good, man. Lemonade the best thing they got, cuz. I ain't playing. Lemonade the best thing they got. The rest of this shit, it's alright though. You can eat it. Like some drunk shit, cuz. I'm going to the Waffle House over this, cuz. Shit ain't good at all, man. As I'm still eating the motherfucker. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. It's alright, man. I'm tripping. It's alright. Like, this shit alright. It's just that for the price, I don't see the hype, man. Just some regular chicken tender. Sauce is cool. Fries alright. But these are definitely Food Lion crinkly fries and shit. I mean, I'm gonna eat this shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna eat this shit, but it ain't the best, man. Yeah, see that? Very bad. If I had to rate it,